guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unbagging my April Ipsy bag. So if you guys want to find out with me what's in my bag this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this bag this month has lemons on it. This is super cute. And then let's see what the theme is on the inside. It says Fresh Spring Beauty. Yes, that's what it says. Oh, and then it has all the product details in here, but I actually don't want to look at that yet, so we can find out what's going to be in here. Ooh, this is one of my favorite products. This is from Perlice. This is, oh, actually I've never tried this. This is a new product from them. This is a watermelon energizing 2-minute polish peel. So I thought this was their gel moisturizer, which I absolutely love. You guys know I love Perlice. I've never tried this, and I didn't even know they came out with this product. Ooh, so it's like a scrub. All right, so I'm really curious. Ooh, yes. Ooh, I like this. I'm excited. This is a scrub. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. I want to try this out today. It's a good scrub because sometimes you can tell whether or not you're gonna like a scrub if the beads are really, really big or really, really fine, but these are really fine beads. If the beads are too big, they could actually like rupture your skin because they like start scratching at the surface and can actually like basically tear into your skin. But these are definitely like a fine scrub. It feels like good on my hands. I'm like scrubbing my hand, but I'm so excited about that. I love face scrubs. I have the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion in my shower right now, but I'm running so low on that. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I want a full size of this. And then also I am an affiliate with Perlice, so if you guys are curious about their products, check out my description box. I do have a discount for 10% off like everything on their website. Oh, but I'm so excited. I didn't even know about this product, so I'm so excited about that. And then their watermelon gel moisturizer is one of my favorites, and also their daily cleanser. Ooh, I'm excited about that. So next, this is from Laura Sanchez. I didn't know she came out with a makeup brand, so I'm familiar with her. I'm pretty sure she's Colombian. I need to look this up right now since I am also Colombian. I'm pretty sure she is. All right, so I did confirm she is a Colombian vlogger. She won the NYX Face Awards a couple years ago. It's the only NYX Face Awards I ever attended, and I remember. And I didn't know she came out with a makeup brand. So this is called Moods. And let's see what this actual product is. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is an eyeshadow probably. Yes. This is a single shadow. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. I didn't know that she came out with a whole makeup brand. So that is a really pretty color. I'm excited to try more from this brand. So I definitely didn't know she came out with a makeup brand, but I'm excited to try it, and I definitely want to try it more because this shadow seems really promising. It's like very pigmented. And then this is a brush. This is a fan brush from $1 Billion Brushes. This is a big fan brush. I feel like every other fan brush I have in my collection is like half of this size, but I always like getting brushes. I could definitely use this for like a powder brush or something, even for bronzer maybe, or even for contour. I'll use like the most random brushes for like contour and bronzer because I'm very particular. I'll be definitely trying that out. And then this is from Tarte. This is their, oh, I've never tried this. This is the base tape. I thought this was gonna be a like an eyeshadow primer. This is actually their hydrating primer, like face primer. Oh, cool. I think this came out like in the last year. Oh, this is very liquidy, just like kind of, yeah, it's definitely a very liquidy primer, but it does have like a little bit of tackiness to it. And this is actually a decent size primer. I feel like this will last a pretty long time. And I always gravitate towards hydrating primers, so I'll definitely be trying that out. And then lastly, we have an eyeliner. Yes, this is from Ico London, and this is their Black Magic Liquid Liner in Wide Lash. Wonder what that means. It's just like a regular liquid liner. Let's see. Ooh, I feel like the pigmentation. There we go. I also just like wiped off the primer, so my hand's like a little bit slippery, but I will be using that for sure. I use my liquid liners. I go through them so quickly because I end up using eyeliner every single day, even if I'm not doing a wing. Like today, I just applied a little bit on my lash band, so I'm always using up my eyeliners. Alright guys, so that is everything for my April Ipsy Unbagging. Definitely let me know what you guys got in your bags this month in the comments below. Also, Glam Bag Plus is now available. I went on my Ipsy profile the other day just when I was tracking when I would receive this bag, and I saw that you could sign up for Glam Bag Plus, so I went ahead and signed up for that, and I should start receiving that next month. I already got billed for May, so I should be reviewing that on my channel next month. Let me know if you guys want to see like Glam Bag Plus versus regular Ipsy, or separate videos on each subscription, or just Glam Bag Plus and stop doing the $10 subscription. Let me know your preference in the comments below. I'm open to like basically anything. I just definitely want to start reviewing Glam Bag Plus on my channel as well. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.